The 10 Best Christmas Gift Ideas on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Since Christmas is almost here, you must be looking for the perfect gifts for your loved ones. Today we present to you the 10 best Christmas gift ideas available on Amazon. Continue watching to find out more. Number 1. National Geographic Hobby Rock Tumbler Kit. If someone in your family is a science or rock maniac, then they will surely love this rock tumbler. This machine reveals the hidden beauty of rocks and minerals. This product comes with very few parts, with no assembly required, and kids love this tumbler because they get the satisfaction of making progress with rock tumbling. Number 2. Marvin's Magic. The next one on our list is Marvin's Amazing Magic Tricks, which includes 225 tricks for children. This box has a tray full of bits and pieces with an instruction manual to teach kids cool magic tricks. Number 3. Xgimme Halo Projector. All we want for this quarantine is chilling and watching Netflix. Well, this projector is what a Netflix lover would die for. This projector gives 800 lumens with 1080p output for a clear picture with a 100-inch display. Not only that, dual speaker units from Harman and Kardon will make movie night totally worth it. Number 4. JML Convertible Neck Travel Pillows. The next one is for those who prefer sleeping on the plane instead of watching a film. Well, it's not compulsory for lazy people, but its 3-in-1 convertible shape can also help you relax anywhere you want, either in an airplane or in your office. If you think you found a perfect gift, you might be missing some good ideas coming up in the video. So let's jump right to number 5. Number 5. BrewMate Hopsulator Trio. What's better than a hot coffee in winter? This Hopsulator Trio acts as a regular mug with a pop-on sip lid. Since it's 3-in-1, anyone who wants an ice-cold or piping hot drink can have one. Number 6. Jabra Elite 75T. For those who still want to watch Netflix, these earphones are for you. The active noise cancellation feature will mute the outside world, and you can chill the whole day. Number 7. Bonanook Karaoke Microphone. Singing on karaoke with your friends and family is always fun. This karaoke microphone can connect with your mobile app by Bluetooth and cable. The multifunction button on it makes it more comfortable to use, so give it to the person who loves karaoke and loves singing. Number 8. Gerber Brand Center Drive Plus Multi-Tool. We all have someone in our family who knows how to fix anything that's broken. This multi-tool with a large blade, a full-length driver with a full set of bits, and a plier in a leather sheath can do almost any job. The last two options are gifts for tech geeks. If you have a friend who's very interested in technology, you don't want to miss the next gift ideas we have for you. Number 9. Oculus Quest. On number 9, we have the Oculus Quest. This VR offers an all-in-one experience without the need to be connected to any device. The whole system is built in, and since this VR will take you to another dimension, a tech geek would love this. Number 10. Creality 3D Printer Ender Pro. This might seem like the craziest gift, but it is a perfect gift for your entrepreneur friend who is struggling to make prototypes and other functional products, because whenever they think of an idea, they don't have to wait, and they can start right off. We hope you liked these gift ideas. You can also find links to all these products in the description below. What gift are you thinking of buying for your friends and family? Let us know in the comments section. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from our channel.